Hello and welcome back to another ZR video. Still in Christmas time. It's the 23rd, I believe it is today. So I've treated the car to some new speakers because the old ones were, well, the crap, they're old. So I'll show you what I've got. So these are going in the rear near the parcel shelf, and we've got these going in the front. Comes with some new tweeters as well. These are really good. I've got these in Land Rover into rear door, so they're going to go there and obviously replace that. I've already made a start, so I'm going to show you. So the rear one's dead easy. That's the old one there. Don't even know what wattage they are. 30 watts max. It's not a lot. But anyway, these are the replacements there. So that one's already in. Dead easy. Direct fit. 4 bolts. Screws, sorry, and away you go. So I'm going to make a start on that one, and then I'll come back and show you when I've done. What I've been doing with these plugs is, rather than using I've been using obviously these that came back with, because the original wires weren't long enough. So yeah, I'm just gonna chop it off there and splice in my new wires that came with speakers. So we'll do that. Right, that's that done. They're all working.
Do you know what, we'll play another record for Chris on the
Listening to Chris Rea songs, because he's passed away today, so it's all on the radio. So I'll get these fronts done, get this door card off. Right, door card's off again on this side. These have got a weird adapter on. I've had to get some adapters that convert it from 3 to 4 holes. So we'll get this off and we'll see what it looks like. I've run into a bit of a snag. These speaker adapters here are wrong, basically. So what I've had to do is drill some new holes there at the top. I can use the bottom hole there to line up. So we'll put it on. So these speakers didn't come with any wires, so I've just popped the spade connectors out of that plug and just pushed them straight onto the back of the speaker. Right, I'm just on with driver's side. Even though I've got the wrong rings, it don't really matter because all I've done is just re-drilled some holes. I've used the original bottom one there, but just re-drilled them too. I made a mistake. I've got these for Vauxhall and Fiat, thinking they were going to be the same, but not to worry, I can still use them. And then just behind, obviously, sound deadening, and I've put a sheet there as well, so that should help. So let's get this speaker fired in. Right, well that's that job done. Much better sound, a lot more clarity. So the missus is going to like it, because she'll be driving this most of the time anyway. So Pioneers in the rear, Hertz in the front. I haven't bothered with the tweeters because they were just sort of that small and they wouldn't have fitted. So I've just kept the original ones in for them. So yeah, that's it for this video. Have a good new year everybody, and we'll see you again in another one.